cleaning tips for your kitchen that make life easy. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. A clean kitchen will not only look nice, but it is also helpful for your health. It's also one of the places which gets dirty a lot. Whether it's a stain on the countertop or you spilled something, either way, it will take a lot of time to clean it. Sometimes, it won't even clean properly. So, we are here with the ultimate cleaning tips for your kitchen. This will surely make your life a lot easier. Number 1. Baking soda is a magical thing. When you are cleaning your kitchen, baking soda is a magical item not only for cakes but also for cleaning. You can easily remove stains with the help of baking soda. Try using baking soda instead of conventional cleaner and you will see the difference. The cleaner not only has a harmful component, but it has a bad odor that will smell dirty for a while. Instead, you can use baking soda. Did you know, you can also clean the sink with baking soda? Just take a spoon of baking soda and sprinkle it on your sink. Number 2. Lemon is the next savior. If you want to clean off debris, you can mix lemon, baking soda, and vinegar. Just apply it and wash the surface. You will see the magic by yourself. In most cases, even the lemon and vinegar will do the job. You can use lemon and vinegar in your sink, near your gas to remove the grease marks, and you can use it on any stainless steel. If you want to clean your microwave oven, you can take a bowl, add some water to it and then mix lemon. Let it boil for a couple of minutes inside in the microwave. Thereafter, you can take it out. The lemon water will produce steam. The steam will clean your microwave. Just wipe it with a clean cloth after you do the following procedure. You can also clean it with a cloth. If the stains are not coming out, you can add vinegar too. It can also clean your burned pan. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Containers and organizing. If your kitchen gets a lot messy and you don't want to harm your granite countertop, you can use a dish below it or use sheets. You can easily wash the dish with the help of a dishwasher. Have a habit of organizing your kitchen properly. You can put the same type of items near each other. The same thing applies to the refrigerator. Further, you can use a can rack to hold your cans and a garbage bowl if you don't like a trash can in your kitchen. The end goal is to organize things. That's it, you can do it in any way. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how our cleaning company can help you. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.